Hi, this is Albert with ClickFunnels Support. So we'll go over this real quick. So here we are in your account. Now, if you're wanting to add document files or any form of media, you're going to want to head over to, go ahead and go to your Silhouette here, go to Account Settings. All right, and what you're looking for is your digital assets here, okay? So you're going to go here, and right here, and then you're going to go ahead and click Add New Asset. All right, and then you can just simply start uploading files here. Okay, so now what that looks like is on the other end, give me 1 second here, and I'll show you. I'm going to pause this real quick. Okay, so here I'm in my funnel. I'm going to go grab a digital asset. All right, I'm going to go to my digital assets. And you'll see this is what it looks like once you download it and you name it and all that. Now, once you're here, what you're going to want to do is you're going to grab this copy asset path, okay, and then you're going to go back to a funnel wherever you want to place it. All right, just give me a sec here. Okay, so here we are in a funnel, and I grabbed that link from my digital assets. All right, and now just for example, if I wanted to lay that into a button or embed it in a button, I'm going to go ahead and grab the button here, click on it. I'm going to go to my edit action. And right here, instead of going to a website URL, I'm going to place it here. So when they click that button you can change the text to say download now or whatever you want here. So just make sure when you copy the path, so the URL for your digital asset, and that goes for any link you want to paste here, you need to make sure you hit Control V, right? V is in Victor, to actually place it and paste the link here. So because you can't paste, if you do this, it's not going to stick here, and that's just in the settings areas like this, okay? So just go ahead and Control V, paste your link for your document there, all right? And then go ahead and click Save, and then you'll see here, you go into a preview on a live mode. If I click that, you'll see here that I get a download PDF that they can now open on their computer, all right, and save to their desktop or whatever they'd like. All right, so I hope that's what you're looking for. Go and let me know if you need anything further, okay? Thanks.